Langflow versus Flowise versus N8n. Which is the best automation tool? Let's get right into it. AI automation tools are blowing up right now, but which one could you actually use? Make sure you watch to the very end to see which tool suits you best. I'll put links in the description for you to try them. Let's start with a quick overview of each tool. Langflow is a visual programming tool designed for building AI agents using LangChain under the hood. It focuses heavily on LLM chains, memory, tools like the search and calculator, and easy prototyping of AI pipelines. Langflow is an open source visual builder for LangChain based LLM applications. Think of it as a drag and drop front end for LangChain Python workflows. It provides a canvas where you connect LLM blocks, prompt templates, agents, and vector stores. Langflow comes with built in API server functionality. Every agent you build can become an API endpoint. It also includes pre-made templates like RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation chatbots, so you can start with something halfway built. In short, Langflow is aimed at getting AI demos and prototypes up and running fast. Flowise is also built on LangChain, but it's more accessible and no-code friendly. Think of it as LangChain in drag and drop form, perfect for those who want to build without touching code. Flowise is also an open source visual AI automation tool, but it's built on Node, TypeScript, LangChain JS instead of Python. Like Langflow, you build an app by dragging and connecting blocks, but Flowise's UI is more feature rich and geared towards larger deployments. It was even backed by Y Combinator and boasts big clients like AWS, Deloitte, etc. Flowise emphasizes agentic systems, essentially multi-step AI agents. It comes with a marketplace of ready-made templates and node integrations such as email, Slack, databases, etc., and it fully supports LangChain's JS stack. N8n, on the other hand, isn't specifically built for AI. It's a powerful, general-purpose automation platform, but thanks to its open-ended nature and deep integrations, it can be used to build surprisingly sophisticated AI automations using OpenAI, Hugging Face, or custom APIs. N8n is not limited by AI. It's a general workflow automation platform, think Zapier or Make for developers, that now includes AI capabilities. It combines low code and pro code. You can drag and drop nodes, write JavaScript, or even run Python via a code node. N8n is fair code license. The source is available for self-hosting, but it's not OSI approved open source. The company calls it sustainable use license or fair code. In practice, developers can run N8n anywhere for free, even on their own server. Langflow pros and cons. Let's break down Langflow. Built for LangChain. If you're already into LangChain, this is the visual IDE you want. Modular design. You can customize agents, memory, retrievers, tools, all visually. Open source and dev friendly. Developers can dig deep into configurations and extend it. Now the cons. Learning curve. It's not noob friendly. You need to understand LangChain concepts first. The UI is still evolving. Compared to Flowise, it's not as polished or intuitive. Fewer templates. You often need to start from scratch. Overall, Langflow is powerful, but only if you're already comfortable with how LangChain works. It's not the plug and play experience for casual users. Now, let's talk Flowise. For the pros, it's very beginner friendly. Drag and drop components, add prompts, connect APIs. There is no code required. There's great UI and UX. It feels smoother than Langflow and easier to navigate. And lastly, it has lots of integrations. It's built-in support for Hugging Face, OpenAI, and vector DBs. Now for the cons. It is less configurable. Advanced users may feel limited in deeper customization. It has occasional bugs. As it's open source and fast moving, expect occasional glitches. It is LangChain centric. If LangChain breaks, Flowise breaks. Flowise is perfect for creators, solopreneurs, and AI tinkerers who want to build usable agents fast, but it might not scale well into deep production grade system without hitting limitations. And then we have N8n, the odd one out, but a surprisingly strong player. Its pros include it being extremely flexible. You can automate anything: email databases, AI models, and spreadsheets. It has tons of integrations. It has over 350 services natively supported, and it has powerful workflows, perfect for combining AI with real world tasks like notifications, form processing, or CRM updates. Now for the cons. In N8n, it is not AI focused. No LLM blocks by default, so you'll need to configure GPT or other APIs manually. N8n has a steeper setup for AI. You have to bring your own models, prompts, and memory logic. It is more technical, not ideal for non techies who want an out of the box AI agent. N8n is best when you're building complete workflows, not just chatbots, but entire business automations that happen to use AI. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, a direct comparison. So how do they stack up? As you can see here, we've broken down the ease of use, LLM customizations, best for who, no-code friendly, AI specific, and community and docs direct comparison between the three. As you can see, the ease of use goes to Flowise, as you do not need to learn how to code in order to build your AI automation. For LLM customization, Langflow is the best, although it is not the most beginner friendly. Langflow is best for AI developers, Flowise for creators and tinkerers, and N8n for business automation. For no-code friendly, Flowise clearly wins here, and Langflow is not particularly code friendly. Langflow and Flowise are AI specific, but N8n isn't, even though it's possible. For fast growing, you go with Flowise, as it is the clear winner here for beginners and non-coders. So here's the honest truth. If you're a developer and already comfortable with LangChain, or want to experiment deeply with LLM agents, go with Langflow. If you're a non-coder, YouTuber, freelancer, or solo founder who wants to launch something fast, Flowise is going to get you running quicker. If your goal is business automation, connecting tools like Slack, Notion, Airtable, and plugging in AI on the side, N8n is incredibly powerful. The bottom line, there's no one size fits all. It really depends on whether your focus is agent building, visual ease, or real world automation. So there you have it, an honest comparison of Langflow, Flowise, and N8n. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more no fluff AI tool reviews. Let me know in the comments, which one are you choosing? And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you in the next honest review.